up in the hills where the river starts.
Bernard Bwambale akurwa mu kitongole kya gavumenti ekya consent nagira nga abantu bingi mu kyanga kya Tooro nibakwata ku byokulya kandi ekiresi ndwara ezikurwa mu mirire mibi zayeyongera.
Abisavingire betunayanga okubirya nibisigala sowani hati nagera na binaga hati nekimanyisa kakuba wanaga ebyokulya resources zone zebakozesize okuproducinga ebyokulya ebyo nazo bozinagire abo kubali abantu abakuhingura miliyoni 8 abakusanga ngo tebene kintu ekyokulya kandi babona
Abatuura bashabirwa butosha okukwata kurunje ebyokulya ahabwe bizibu nyamwingi ebirukomoka mu kubikwatijaga
kakuba wabisavinga byona biri obimaleho or donate it to other people abatayine ebyokulya.
I always tell my Muslim friends that the ceremony cannot go in if there is no pilau. If there is no pilau, we didn't have prayers, it wasn't a festive season because there was one ingredient lacking.
Ebihandiko bya Ministry by'amagara nibyoreka ngo ekyanga kya Tooro nikizayo kushinya no bucweka 38 obutonyezi mushanje mu bana ahabwe mirire mbi.
And other forms of malnutrition binakakwate ekyo kubanza na food safety nekya kabiri nakakwate no misusing food or wasting food. So emikwatire ebyokulya emibi no kunaga ebyokulya binakakwate mu maya mabi agali mu region yetu.
Tetago biyonjo mu masomero, tetago biyonjo mu marwaro kandi ekikuru muno nicyo kutunga obuyonjo omu makabiriti n'amaturuga.
Nkomuringo gwo kureba ngo ebyokulya byakumwa kurungi kandi birye biyonjo Albert Ahebwa speaker wa council ya Fort Portal nagira ngo batire kwesherajuro ekisirwe Fort Portal food ordinance.
I want to inform you that as a city we are very committed to working with all partners. And we are also at our final stage to have our nutrition ordinance in place so that we can govern our people in the most appropriate and conducive manner.
Ndyamusiimanta.